Rich and kind people are giving away free money to people who need financial support through these websites, and it's for reasons like medical expenses, education, travel, and also funding businesses. But before we dive into it, welcome back to KCK Online Videos. It's your AI girl Leah, generated by Lania Karim, and it's always good to have you back on our channel. If you are new here, you are most definitely welcome to the home of the most informative videos. And without further ado, let's get right into today's video. So here are the 12 websites where kind and rich people will give you money for free. The first one is begging money. And if you scroll down, you can see here it says searching for financial aid and emergency assistance. Do you need advice on money and debt management? We are here to help you. So you can scroll down and you can go through the whole thing, If you scroll down here, you'll see the categories. So different fields in which you can get money, okay? For example, backpackers, business capital, funeral costs, medical bills, rent, okay? Um, Single dads, single moms, tuition fees. So you just have to go through everything, and then you come up here, then you sign up, you put your story. You just have to be very honest about it, and then kind people there and rich people will definitely give you money for free and no strings attached. So this brings us to website number 2, where the rich and kind, generous people give people money for free. It is called Cyberbeg, and if you come here, you can see some of the people who need assistance. There is this disabled nurse who says, "I have nowhere else to turn. Please help me." So you can just go through everything and see how different people are putting themselves out there to ask for assistance. You don't have to suffer alone when there is people willing to help you. You can see this one says, "Mom, for one with disabilities, rent expenses, please help me." Oh, help, please. Okay. Um, so if you are ready, you can create an account with them, or you can click here where it says start begging now, and then you express yourself. You write your exact reason as to why you need people to assist you with money, and then kind and generous people, rich people, will give you money. The third website is Just Giving, and you can start a fundraiser on this website. So you can just go through here, and like you can see, the different fundraisers, different categories of fundraising that are available. You can see animals and pets, disability, art and culture, local community, education, sports, international aid, health and medical. So you just have to go through like everything. And once you're ready, you can sign up and create an account with them, and then you can start your fundraising process. Okay. So yeah, that's our website number 3. Website number 4 is modestneeds.org. And you can just come here, you scroll down, go through everything, and you can see here this one says, "It took everything to escape my daughter's abusive dad, all our belongings." Like, you just have to put your story out there, and then people will donate money to you. So you can just come here and you click on apply for help, then you proceed with the whole entire process. Okay. Website 5 is Fund My Travel, and this is very exciting. Like you can see, it's straight to the point. There is people out there willing to fund you for meaningful travel experiences. Okay, so you just have to go through everything. You can scroll down to see. This one is raising money for their first journey to Europe. Um, this one, help fund my solidarity. You can just go through like everything here. It talks about how it works, and yeah, you can learn more if you click on this button. Then you can also come and check out the success stories here. Like you can see, this one says, "Fund My Travel provides a valuable resource for our participants to raise money for their programs with us. Our participants have raised over $12,000 for their programs. It also gives us an additional platform to promote our programs as each campaign. Okay, so you just have to go through everything, and once you are ready, you can subscribe to their newsletter, and you can also move up here and you sign up, you create an account with them. Be very specific with the reason as to why you need people to, fund your travel. Okay, so give your reasons, and kind and generous people will definitely donate money for you. Okay. So the next website is Circle Up, and this one is actually for entrepreneurs. So if you have like a business idea, but you don't have like money to, put into your business, people on this website can help you with the right funding to grow your business. So you just have to come and go through the entire website, and then once you're ready, you can just come here, you click on the apply button, then you get started with your process. Then website number 7, where the rich and kind, generous people, donate money to people in need, is called Fundly. And like you can see, it's for individuals and charities, no startup fees, no hidden fees. Okay, so it's straight to the point. So you just have to go through like everything here. You can just come and see. So Fundly hopes include clubs and community, creative projects, disaster relief, fraternities and sororities. You can see um, fun and special events, kids and family, LGBT, medical and health. There is memorials and funerals. There is military, non-profit organizations and charity, pets and animals. Okay, politics and public office, religious organizations, run, walk, rides, schools and education. Um, there is sports. Okay, I saw sports somewhere. Okay, there is sports and teams, then trips and adventure. So once you're certain, you'll just come here. Here it says start a fundraiser, and you can also create an account with them. And yeah, you start your process of seeking for help with people who are willing to help you. Okay. So our eighth website is GoFundMe, and like you can see, they say, "This is your home for help." You can get started here. So you can scroll down, and go through everything. Like you can see, this person raised euros 2,723. Like you can see, so you just have to go through like everything. Scroll down like this. And here it says, "We've got you covered. GoFundMe is a trusted leader in online fundraising with simple pricing and a team of trust and safety experts in your corner. You can raise money or make a donation with peace of mind." Okay. So you just have to go through everything, and then you start a GoFundMe. And there you are. People are actually willing to donate. The ninth website is the Awesome Foundation, and like you can see here, they're saying forwarding the interest of Awesome in the universe, $1,000 at a time. You can just click at any of these, and view everything. Then here it says the Awesome Foundation is an ever-growing worldwide community devoted to forwarding the interest of awesome in the universe. Created in the long hot summer days of 2009 in Boston, the foundation distributes $1,000 grants and no strings attached. Okay, so no strings attached, guys. You saw that, right? So yeah, if you're ready, you can click here where it says apply, and then you apply, and yeah, so you will find people who are willing to donate. Okay. The 10th website is a bit different. It's tutor.com. And for this one, if you have a tutoring experience, or you can come and create an account with them. Then you start, tutoring students, and people will actually pay you for your service. And yeah, so that means you have your own side online hustle, and that's how you are going to get money with this website. Okay. The next one is Fundable, and this one is also for entrepreneurs. So on this platform, you can come and create an account. Then you put your business idea, and you know you can find investors on this platform. So you can see recently funded companies on Fundable. There is this one. There is this one. Okay, different ones. Okay, you can just come go through everything, and then after that you can get started here and you sign up. Okay, follow the procedure, and trust me, you'll be able to find investors who are going to help you, who are going to invest in your business. Okay. The next one is Bifrugo, and like you can see this one, they say join for free and get a $10 bonus. Okay, so even just signing up, you get a bonus. But if you come here, you can see what this one is all about. So basically, with this one, here they say shop through bifrugo.com, our mobile app, or the Bifrugo extension at any of our 5,000 plus stores, and earn cash back whenever you make a purchase. When you are ready, request your cash from your Bifrugo account via check, PayPal, direct deposit, Venmo, and Zelle or gift card. Okay. So basically this one, you just have to find the brands they're collaborating with. Then once you purchase something through this mobile app, they give you some cash back. Okay. Hopefully that makes sense. So you just have to, go through everything, find out which brands are they working with, and then after that you can join. You can sign up, you can see here, you can create an account with them, you can continue with your Google, then explore the options there. So once you shop, you get some money back. And guys, this brings us to the end of today's video, but I do not completely encourage you to depend on other people for financial aid. But sometimes it's inevitable, but I encourage you to find more ways of making money online, which I do on this channel. Something that I do, I try to gather different information about how you can make money online, and I bring it to you guys on this channel. For example, in my most recent video, which I've linked in the description down below, please click on it right after this video, and you will find out more ways of to make money online. Okay, and you can also visit my YouTube page, and go through the different options available there, and trust me, there is a lot for you to learn right there. So thank you so much, guys. It's always a pleasure to have you on my channel. Please like this video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. And see you guys in my next one. Bye.